Hey guys, how's it going? How to repurpose webinars with revid.ai. So you can go ahead to click here, create new video, right? And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead, click add caption to video. This step, you're gonna upload a recording of your webinar, right? So it can highlight the purpose of the video, right? You can just clip your webinar to, let's say, 50 seconds or 30 seconds of that webinar and upload it right here, and you're gonna see the videos created right here in the videos section, right? And you're gonna see your videos will appear right here. Go ahead and click on your recording webinar, right? You can use the media to add a highlighted clip, right? Click add new media. You can add above your webinar recordings of stock videos, or you can generate images or a video. Okay, you can scroll a bit down to see the basically already generated images by revid.ai and add it to your video basically, right? So you can go ahead right here and let's say I want to add a new media, right? I can go ahead and click right here adding media, right? And as you can see, it will be added right here. You can place it wherever you want, right? And basically after you finish the basically clipping and adding the webinar clip, you can go ahead and click export right here, and make sure that you set it at 9:16 if you want to share it to social media to highlight your webinar. You can use the animations right here to add animations like movement or anything, but revid.ai will take care of that. And you can see the overlays if you want to add filters to your webinar video. Click export at the top right and make sure that it stays the same settings as shown, and click export right here. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.